Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show how to view your business inquiries in websites.co.in. First you need to click on the top 3 bars located on the top left, and click on Inquiries. Go to the General Inquiries section. Here will be the list of all your inquiries by the customers. By clicking on View, you can see the description. Let's go to your website and send an inquiry. Click on the navigation button on the top right. First we will book an appointment. This feature is only available in limited business categories like spa, salon, doctors etc. And select the timings. Then fill all the credentials as mentioned. Now click on Book. Open the application. Here you can see the appointment information. Now we will be selecting a different theme, where Book an Appointment feature is not there. Click on the 3 bars located on the top left. And tap on Contact. Scroll down. Fill all the credentials required. And click on Send. Now go to your website. You have successfully received the inquiry. We hope you like it. Thanks for watching and do like, share and subscribe to websites.co.in.